This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the iPhone XR battle of the budget phones. K20 Pro has the Snapdragon 855 and 8 gigs of RAM. iPhone XR has the A12 Bionic chip, 3 gigs of RAM, latest version of iOS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Gonna give the boot up win to the K20 Pro. This phone boots up hella fast. And we're in. Nothing in the background on both phones. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping phone app. Very close, maybe the XR actually. Messages. Close again. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. And let's go. Ooh, I think that was the XR. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and run the stopwatch on both. Leave it running. Chrome and Safari. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. And a missed touch on the XR. So take this with a grain of salt. And we'll just go ahead and scroll to the bottom here. And we'll go to the desktop version. Ooh, much faster on the K20 Pro. We'll pinch to zoom. Not too bad on the XR. Do the same thing. On the K20 Pro, nice and butter. Calculator. You guys are the judges on that one. Play Store, App Store. A little bit faster on the K20. We'll do a search for my favorite. Go. We'll click on it here and go ahead and install and click get on the iPhone. Nah, not gonna do that. Amazon shopping. A little bit faster on the K20. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Faster on the left again. And oh, what's happening to the XR? There you go. We'll click on this vacuum. Super Mario Run. Loading on the K20 Pro. Followed by the XR. And we'll give the win to the K20. Tap to begin. Ooh, but the XR actually a little bit faster running the game. Temple Run 2. Ooh, K20 Pro way out in front on that one. Not even close. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legend. What will happen here? Ooh, and give the win to the K20. There we go. Too many prompts. What is this? Get rid of that. Go away. We'll tap to play once. Adobe Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna click on the Charm filter on both, and I'm gonna go choose Charm 2. So you can see, I'm gonna jack this up all the way. Looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna click this on both. And mistouch here on the iPhone. And a little bit of a lag on the XR. Okay, I'm gonna click on the camera roll, save to the camera roll, and save to gallery, and see which one will do it faster. And let's go. Ooh, I think that was faster than the XR. There you go. Followed by the K20. Twitter. We'll give that to the K20 Pro. iPhone lagging a little bit. IG. K20 again. Snapchat. K20. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. and the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you have yourself a Xiaomi phone like this K20 Pro or the regular K20, Xiaomi Mi 9, Xiaomi Mi Mix series of phones? Or are you an Apple iSheet rocking this iPhone XR, iPhone XS, XS Max, iPhone 10 with a notch up top? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.